welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit of a rant and a bit of just a chatty video. This could go very, very well or very, very bad. So if you want to know why I'm not going to be buying Morphe 2, then please keep on watching. First of all, I would just like to start off saying that I have nothing against Charlie or Dixie. I also have nothing against Morphe. Hello, Woozy. Hello, my baby boy. What are you doing? My dog is distracting me. So first off, I would like to start this video out by saying I do not have any issues with Charlie or Dixie or Morphe. I have nothing against any of them. This is just a personal opinion. This is just reasons why I will not be buying this collab. Everyone is free to make their own opinion, but I thought I'd make this video to jump on the topic while it's here because I feel it is relevant and I would like to give my opinion to those who I know also may feel the exact same. So just wanted to start that out. This is not a hate video. This is not towards anyone. This is not bagging anyone out. This is not being nasty. This is just my personal opinion. So I have a couple of reasons why I'm not interested in buying this collab, and I know that there are a lot of people who feel the same as me, and I know there are a lot of people who are so in love with this idea, and that's fantastic. I mean, like, good on the girls. Like, it is a amazing opportunity that only so many people like myself and heaps of other makeup artists out there could dream of, like, even just being a part of Morphe's PR. Like, that is my biggest dream, and I know that there are so many people out there who have a dream of collabing with Morphe and even having a sub company under them, calling it Morphe 2. Like, it is such an amazing opportunity. Congratulations to Charlie and Dixie. Like, I really hope this goes well for you guys, and I really hope that this is a massive thing, and all the best with it. Like, I would kill to have an opportunity like that. But there are a couple of reasons why I will not be buying this collection. Reason number one is because personally, if I'm going to invest my money into something like Morphe or a makeup company, especially a big collaboration like this, I want to invest my money into someone who I feel has worked their way up in the beauty community or worked their way up in the makeup artist world to achieve this. Charlie and Dixie, from what I know, have no interest really in the beauty community. They have no connection to it really. They don't play with makeup. They don't make makeup videos. Like, their makeup level that they wear is pretty basic or none at all, simply just because obviously they may not like it or they may just not be into that side of things, which is completely fine. From what I know, the only link they really have to this side of things is James Charles. I know that he is really big with Morphe, and maybe that's kind of where it all came from. I'm not too sure, but I know that they aren't makeup artists, and I know they aren't beauty gurus, and I know that they don't do makeup videos. Like, Charlie dances, and she is an amazing dancer, and she has done really well for herself, and her sister is a really good singer. That is what they're famous for. That is what they're known for. They are TikTok influencers. That is where their niche is. So I just felt when I saw it, like, there are so many amazing, talented artists who never ever get a chance because of people like Charlie and Dixie, who fame is more important than talent, I guess. Not talent, like they have talent, but I'm meaning the industry talent, you know, makeup talent, artistry talent. They kind of portrayed it as they've taken fame over talent because a lot of people are speculating what happened with the whole Jeffree Star thing and cutting them. They needed a way to kind of rebuild on another side, so maybe that is why they did it. I'm not too sure, but I personally think there could have been so many better candidates for Morphe 2 than two girls who aren't involved in the community. And I know a lot of people from reading the comments on the post feel the exact same way as I do, but a lot of people are really for it. A lot of people love Charlie and Dixie, and they're like, this is the best thing that's ever happened since sliced bread. So, you know, there's really two sides from what I'm seeing in the comments. Like, a lot of people agree, a lot of people are not all for it, and a lot of people just don't fucking care. So personally, I just feel like Morphe could have invested their money and their time and collaboration opportunities into someone who has worked their ass off for years in this artistry world and in this beauty community to get even half of the places that I would like to go. Which I probably never will. Like, you know, I'd even love to be on their PR list, and some people get on their PR list and it would be a dream come true for them to get to this point, but I feel like by choosing people who aren't involved in this community is a little bit, ooh, okay, that's fine. Reason number two is because I generally don't like the look of the packaging. I personally think that it looks boring and kind of cheap. It looks like, you know, a kid's makeup, which maybe the goal is to achieve younger and less full-on people who want makeup. They want simple makeup. They don't want to have to buy full coverage foundation. They don't want to have to buy, you know, colourful eyeshadow palettes. They don't want to have to buy full-on pigment or, you know, bronzer, highlighter. They just want like the simple side of things because they want a bit of makeup, but they don't want to heat, which is completely fine if that's what they're doing. Like, good on you guys for appealing to a completely different type of people who like makeup but not a heap. That is really awesome. But I also just think it looks like 5-year-old makeup, like Crayola makeup or, you know, Barbie makeup. It doesn't really look too appealing to me personally. Saw the packaging and it wasn't a wow factor. It was just kind of like, yeah, okay, cool, that's fine. That's just, yeah, it wasn't like a pop, a wow, and oh my god. So that's another reason why I'm not really interested in buying it. Reason number 3 is because I felt like with every other collaboration that Morphe have done, they have done it with such big hype and there's been such a build up. And I felt like with this, there was no build up at all. I felt like it was a real just like, bam, here's Morphe 2, and then bam, it's with Charlie and Dixie, and then bam, this is what we're releasing. And then like they haven't posted really much since that I'm aware of. So it was kind of just like thrown in your face and then just nothing, and everyone was a bit like, okay, yay, yay, Charlie and Dixie, yay. Or there was people going, what? What are you talking about? Whereas with other, you know, with their Jeffree Star one, oh, we're collabing with Jeffree Star, massive build up, little sneaky posts on both ends and like continue until launch. James Charles, we all know that was a massive explosion on the internet when they were starting to put teasers in for the James Charles palette. Jaclyn Hill and her collab, that was all a really big thing as well. Like, there was so much more build up to those collaborations than a completely separate sub company that Morphe is doing with Charlie and Dixie. Like, it was just kind of like thrown in your face and then didn't really give you any answers after that. I haven't really checked up on the page. I might do that now. So they posted Morphe 2, then they posted what they're coming out with, then they posted Charlie and Dixie, then they went on to Jaclyn Hill, another photo, another photo, another photo, then another photo of Charlie and Dixie, and then nothing for a while, and then the last one is Charlie, Dixie and James Charles, just like in a little video up in the corner, and they're just battling it out using everything from Morphe 2. And just saying to go watch it on James's channel, but I haven't watched that, and again, like, this is probably the first time I've ever actually seen anything of these girls touching makeup in my entire life. Like, I've never seen them touch makeup before. I've never seen them really be interested in makeup. So again, that kind of goes back to my point of saying, could this have not gone to someone else who actually is in the community and has a history and has a proper knowledge of makeup? They're both really pretty though. Like, they're really pretty girls and like, they're killing it. But I just feel like my main, and a lot of people's main reason as to why they are so under the rock about this is because you could have chosen someone with so much makeup talent and given them such an amazing opportunity, but you gave it to people who dance and sing. That's really the main problem that I have with this whole thing, is the fact that people bust their ass to learn and get makeup as good as they do, and there are some people out there who I'm just like, what? And it could have gone to them, and it could have really helped a makeup artist out in their life, but it went to people who have a lot of followers. And I feel like this is where everyone's very in the middle, because they're like, are you doing this just to become popular because of what just happened, because you need more followers again? Or are you doing this simply because you actually think it's a very good investment? And it will be. I'm sure so many people are going to buy it. I personally will not be buying it, and if I do, it will be to eat my own words and to a review to see if the products are actually really good. But for now, I'm not interested in it. It did not appeal to me. I did not feel the hype. I personally have no interest in buying a collaboration with with people who don't actually sit in the community and go through everything that a lot of us do to get even to the littlest part in this world, in this side of beauty. So yeah, this is the end of the video, guys. Please do not think this is coming for anyone. I know that I'm either going to get a lot of hate comments, or this video won't even go anywhere and it'll probably just stay in a little vault, or it won't get any views. But I just wanted to give my opinion as to why I personally will not be buying this collection, and why I think it is not that appealing, and why a lot of people that I saw in comments are also not that interested in it. Simply just the fact that you're a beauty company, you could have given it to someone involved in the beauty community. So if you guys enjoyed this video, which I hope you did, please give it a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below as well. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more videos that I post, and I will see you guys in my next one.